Hairdresser accused of a murder-for-hire plot to kill her ex-boyfriend, a Philadelphia police officer, and his teenage daughter in court today. And lawyers for both sides reading all kinds of text messages, hoping to persuade the judge on whether or not the defendant should be released. Our Jennifer Lee reports.
Her hair styled in a bun, Jacqueline Diorio walked into the Camden County courtroom to answer to charges for plotting the murders for hire of her ex-boyfriend, a 57-year-old Philadelphia cop, and his 19-year-old daughter.
When the informant asked the defendant if she was sure that she wanted to go through with this plot, the defendant incredulously stated, "Why the f would I want out?"
Assistant Prosecutor David Dietz says a confidential informant who met Diorio through the dating app Tinder notified the Camden County Major Crimes Unit of the murder plot on April 3rd. Diorio was arrested the following day at this Dollar General in Gloucester Township after she paid the informant a $500 down payment, promising $12,000 in cash total to be paid in installments for the victim's murders. The assistant prosecutor says the evidence against Diorio includes text message screenshots and recorded conversations that include talks of Diorio's desire to have the daughter killed first, followed by her ex-boyfriend.
The killing of a police officer would draw too much scrutiny from law enforcement, while not as much law enforcement resources would be dedicated to investigating the death of an officer's daughter.
In court, we learned the 26-year-old was the Philadelphia cop's barber, and it led to a dating relationship. Her lawyer says Diorio took out a restraining order against him in August 2024 for repeated harassment, though the two continued to date until March of this year.
She was manipulated, Your Honor, into withdrawing that restraining order so that he can go back to being on the street with his gun and badge.
Diorio is not considered a flight risk and has no prior criminal history. She was visibly upset when the judge ordered her to remain in custody with no bail. Her lawyer says the confidential informant manipulated this whole situation for his own gain.
We have a completely rogue, unsupervised, confidential informant trolling.
Diorio faces 2 counts of first-degree attempted murder and first-degree conspiracy to commit murder. The 26-year-old's next court date is set for June 11th. At the Camden County Hall of Justice, Jennifer Lee, Fox 29 News.
We reached out to the Philadelphia Police Department, and while it cannot disclose personnel details, a spokesperson says, quote, "The department is committed to supporting him and his family through this difficult time. PPD was made aware of these serious allegations against our officer and their family member. From the outset, we provided assistance just as we would any community member."